Hi, I'm Lucy and I'm a fibre artist. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create some tassels. Let's get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. To create your first row of tassels, take your wool and cut strips approximately 25 cm in length. A quick way to do this is by wrapping the wool around a book and trim down the middle. Lay your strands on top of the warp threads. Each tassel will use 2 warp threads at a time. With your left hand, twist the wool over and around the warp and poke it back through. Repeat this with your right hand and with the second warp thread. Bring the 2 sections together and gently pull towards yourself. This is your first tassel. Repeat the technique until you have a complete row of tassels. No need to trim your tassels just yet. Wait until the weave is off the loom at the end. You can create chunky tassels in the same way, but this time wrapping your wool around 4 warp threads. For more weaving inspiration, head on over to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and comment below. See you for more videos soon.